What's up everyone? Corey Parks here, back with another video. Wanted to talk about how to determine if you have insulation in your crawl space. There's a couple different types of insulations out there, and we'll talk about the most common ones we see in the greater Charlotte area. First and foremost, we're in a crawl space here in Alexis, North Carolina, and this has what we typically see in our area. Fiberglass batted insulation with a built-in moisture barrier. This is common. This is what most builders choose. This is typically what most homeowners go back with. So if you're looking to determine whether there's insulation in there, this is probably the one you're going to find. The other types of insulation that we would find would be foam board. Foam board varies in sizes and typically is installed on the foundation wall, and it basically just adheres to the wall, and you can or cannot choose to put this insulation in as well. If you decide to do foam board and the fiberglass, you're just double insulating. I don't know that there's much benefit to that. I think one is probably plenty, especially if you fully encapsulate, which we always highly recommend. But the foam board insulation would be the second type that we see. The last one that we don't see as much in a crawl space, and we actually recommend against it for various reasons, which we'll talk about in another video, but spray foam. Spray foam is getting really popular. Spray foam can go in two different places. You can do it on the wall, or you can do it in the flooring system. Now, we don't recommend spray foam either, but we are definitely 1000% against spray foam up against the floor. You basically hide any water problems, you hide any termite damage, or termites get in between the spray foam insulation and the wood, and unfortunately, before you know there's termites, you've got $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 worth of damage. So we do not like spray foam on the flooring system, and we particularly don't care for spray foam on the wall either. Again, we'll do a separate video on this, but this video, the primary purpose is just to show you the types of insulation that could be in your home and how to identify them. And again, fiberglass insulation in the floor, foam board on the wall, or you could have spray foam on the wall or on the floor. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and until next time, thanks.